Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to take one more special case where you need to have multiple teachers um, in a particular cell, and that too for all the classes it will be the same period. Okay, for example, maybe you have a requirement, so I will just take one pill and put it over here, that is in the third period, so that's English, and I'm going to add one more, so I'm just taking this randomly now. So I'm just going to take Hindi also over here. So Ashutosh and Ajay both are going to take the third period in class 1A, but they will be also taking, I'll just click on show all, and there is one more class, that is class 1B. So I'll be putting the same period, same class. So they are going to take multiple classes. So now it is going to show you the message that the teacher is already busy. So do you want to continue? Yes, I'm going to purposely do that. And also for Ashutosh, I'm going to do it. And then I will click on continue. So what is happening over here? So third period, Ajay and Ashutosh are going to take the classes in class 1A and 1B both. Okay. So this is the, maybe you have this requirement, and then rest of the timetable, I can just click on generate all and the entire timetable will get generated. And as you can see, these are the pinned pills. They are as it is over here. Okay, so now I haven't saved this anyway, but if I go to teachers view, okay, it is just asking me to save now. So now I have saved this, and now if I go to teachers view, in teachers view, you can see that is Ajay is having third period 1A and 1B. Okay, and for Ashutosh also it is going to show the same, that is 1A 1B, that is Hindi. So this is how you can configure, like you can set up the periods for multiple teachers in the same period for all the classes, for multiple classes. Thank you so much.